Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing Toca Nature. Well, I'm using the app for a limited time, so now is my chance to play it. So this is an island of the nature. So let me just create something. So, what do you think? Pretty awesome, huh? If we want to see it close, we can use the magnifying glass. Ooh, let's take a look at this one. Wow, this is amazing. We could see some animals from here. And take a look. Here's some foods down here so we can feed those animals what they like. Here are all the mountains of wolves. And it appears that they're sleeping. And walking. And look, there's a bird. And flying. Look, this beaver wants an acorn. Here you go. And every time when I match a food, look what happens. It grows. Oh, look at that. The bear's having a swim in the water. Here's a fish for you, Wolf. Whoa. Oh, how sweet. The rabbit's having a swim as well. Foxes do love fish, it's alright. No way. And look, I can take pictures as well. Look, those animals are falling asleep in the water? But why? Can't they sleep anywhere else or something? Sometimes animals do eat different food. A blueberry for you, Mr. Bear. Whoa. A little funny when they snore too much. Hey, look at that. Oh, look at that. So adorable. Look at that rabbit. He's running around in a circle. That's a little funny. I don't know why he keeps running like 1,000 times. Having fun, beavers? Aww.